Welcome to Dadima's classes. In this third and final step on articles, we shall study the unique aspects of the uses of articles. This will help you to overcome most of your doubts. However, learning is a lifelong process. There is no ceiling to gaining knowledge. For a complete grasp on this topic, I recommend listening to the previous two videos on the same topic articles. Let us begin now. I am going to show you the uses of the. As we have learnt, the is a definite article. It shows a particular person or thing. Some more uses of the. The is used before names of those countries which have plural names. That means which has an S at the end. Not names which do not have an S. Like we do not say the India, the Sri Lanka, but we say the Philippines, it has an S. The Maldives, it has an S. The Netherlands, it has an S. The Cook Islands has an S, and plus it is made of more than one island. So it's the Cook Islands, the Seychelles, the Solomon Islands. The is also used when the country is made up of two words. Like we say the UAE, two or three or more words. The United Arab Emirates, the United Kingdom, two words or more than two words. The Dominican Republic, the United States of America or the USA. The is also used before a mountain group or mountain range, but not before a single mountain. Like we do not say the Everest because it is a single Everest, but when there is a mountain range or many mountains together, then we say the Himalayas or the Himalayan range, the Andes, the Rockies, the Alps, the Caucasus. The is also used before rivers and canals. We say the Suez Canal, the Yamuna, the Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Nile. The is also used before islands, group of islands, the Caribbean islands, the Philippines, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Pacific Islands. These are group of islands. The is used before oceans and seas. The Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea. Kindly note that I am using the before consonants and the before vowels. The Arabian Sea, the Black Sea, the Arctic Ocean, the Gulf of Oman, the Gulf of Aden, the Coral Sea. The is also used before points on the globe. The equator, the North Pole, the South Pole. So it's pretty easy, it's quite easy, no problem. The is also used before names of deserts. The Sahara Desert, the Globe Desert, the Mojave Desert. The is also used with names that have of. The University of Toronto, the Bay of Bengal, the Gulf of Mexico, the Republic of Congo, the island of Lesbos. The is used before government bodies. The Central Bureau of Investigation or the CBI, the Department of Food and Agriculture, the Ministry of Finance, the Department of Fisheries and Oceans, the Ministry of Health. The is also used before newspapers. The Statesman, the Times of India, the Hindu, the Guardian, the Watchtower. The is used before holy books or before great books. The Gitanjali, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Book of Psalms. The is used before specific nouns. The first Monday of every month, that means the first Monday of every month. For example, I receive my salary on the first Monday of every month. It is a specific day that I receive my salary on. The dinner was tasty. Which dinner was tasty? The dinner that I ate last night was tasty. Not all dinners, but the specific dinner that I ate last night was tasty. I could not study because of the headache that I had. It was only my headache, nobody else's headache. I'm referring to a specific headache. So at that time, I shall use the. I would like you to note that if an adjective is used before a singular noun, the article comes before the adjective. This is a red balloon. Generally, we say this is a balloon, but when we add the adjective, we say this is a red balloon. This is a table. We add an adjective, so the a moves one place. That is a brown table. She is an honest person. Again, note an. I have used an honest because H is silent. This is the best shop in my town. The best. Superlative best. He is an excellent football player. So, the article comes before the adjective. Let's work together and enjoy some exercises. I could not find Lycidas, is the name of a poem by John Milton, in the book of poems, a special book of poems, in the book of poems that I was searching. So I could not find Lycidas in the book of poems that I was searching. We do not say the honesty is the best policy. We simply say honesty is the best policy, the best policy. And the more fine the embroidery, the more we appreciate it. The more we appreciate it. We are comparing it and we are saying that if the embroidery is fine, more beautiful, very, very sophisticated, we appreciate it more, we give more money for it. So the more fine the embroidery, the more we appreciate it. We do not say the Sita. Before names, no need of writing the. Sita is, but she's the most hardworking student. The most superlative, most. Sita is the most hardworking student in class, in her class, okay, in class. Radha is, when we compare two people, then we write the. Radha is the better singer. Between her and Madhu, we have compared between two people, so the better. The Nile, we read, the Nile is the longest superlative. The Nile is the longest river in the world. He gave me a 100 rupee note. He gave me any 100 rupee note. He gave me a 100 rupee note for my birthday, but kept back 50 rupees in his wallet. For example, my uncle gave me 150 rupees to my brother to give me for my birthday. He took out the 100 rupee note and he gave me 100 rupees and he kept 50 with him. The Goa of Vasco da Gama was totally different from the Goa of today. We do not use the before Goa because Goa is the name of a town. But now we are talking about some specific attitude, some specific quality that when Vasco da Gama had come to Goa, that Goa and this Goa we are comparing and we are saying the Goa of Vasco da Gama was totally different from the Goa of today, and the attitudes and the qualities and the scenery and the buildings totally different. During last leg of the race, last portion, absolutely last portion. So not any portion, but the last leg, the last end of the race, Michael Johnson sprinted ahead and set the world record at 3 minutes 43.13 seconds in 1999. He is also known as not a king of the mile, but the king of the mile. That is his title given to him. So thank you very, very much for watching this video, and this video has cleared some deeper concepts of articles which we didn't touch on earlier, but since you all are senior students, you will understand it well, and I'm very, very grateful to my Lord And all thanks is due to our Creator for teaching us speech and expression. Do subscribe to this channel. Do like it. Please do share it with family and friends. It will benefit everybody. Thank you very much.